and he sends down hail from mountains, clouds, in the sky, and he strikes with it whomever he wills, and turns it from whomever he wills. The vivid flash of its lightning nearly blinds the sight. Meteorologists have found these cumulonimbus clouds that shower hail reach a height of 25,000 to 30,000 feet, 4.7 to 5.7 miles, like mountains. As the Quran said, and he sends down hail from mountains, clouds, in the sky. Let us see what the book entitled Meteorology Today says about this. It says that a cloud becomes electrified as hail falls through a region in the cloud of supercooled droplets and ice crystals. As liquid droplets collide with a hailstone, they freeze on contact and release latent heat. This keeps the surface of the hailstone warmer than that of the surrounding ice crystals. When the hailstone comes in contact with an ice crystal, an important phenomenon occurs. Electrons flow from the colder object toward the warmer object. Hence, the hailstone becomes negatively charged. The same effect occurs when supercooled droplets come in contact with a hailstone, and tiny splinters of positively charged ice break off. These lighter positively charged particles are then carried to the upper part of the cloud by updrafts. The hail, left with a negative charge, falls towards the bottom of the cloud, thus the lower part of the cloud becomes negatively charged. These negative charges are then discharged as lightning. We conclude from this that hail is the major factor in producing lightning. This information on lightning was discovered recently. Until 1600 AD, Aristotle's ideas on meteorology were dominant. For example, he said that the atmosphere contains two kinds of exhalation, moist and dry. He also said, thunder is the sound of the collision of the dry exhalation with the neighboring clouds, and lightning is the inflaming and burning of the dry exhalation, with a thin and faint fire. These are some of the ideas on meteorology that were dominant at the time of the Quran's revelation, 14 centuries ago.
فإن المطر ينزل مباشرة بعد ذلك.
فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله وينزل من السماء من جبال فيها من برد فيصيب